For dry hair. Moroccanoil Hydrating Conditioner. Use if your primary goal is hydrated hair with a healthier look and feel. For damaged hair. Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Conditioner. Use if your primary goal is repairing damaged hair while maintaining a healthy moisture balance. For frizzy hair. Moroccanoil Smoothing Conditioner. Use if your primary goal is reducing frizz and increasing manageability. For fine, flat hair. Moroccanoil Extra Volume Conditioner. Use if your primary goal is increasing volume, body, and movement. Argan Oil. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins and essential fatty acids, this rare and precious oil has been used for centuries to nourish hair and skin. About the brand. Moroccanoil began with the iconic Moroccanoil Treatment and now offers a full line of argan oil-infused hair and body products. Signature scent. Memorable and addictive, the signature Moroccanoil scent is an iconic juxtaposition of spicy amber and musk with sweet florals. Inspiring a beautiful world. We believe that we have a responsibility to make a positive impact, from giving back to continuing our journey to become a more sustainable brand. Top reviews from the United States. Great product for hydrating hair. I have used this conditioner for many years on colored hair to keep my hair hydrated and smooth.